Money, money, money problem. Everyone is facing money problem. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever faced a money problem? It's a money world. Everything depends on money. And when you don't have money in your hand, oh feeling matha gorong, oh matha gorong rong. Feeling headache, oh headache. I'm just a country boy, I live in Karbi Anglong. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever thought of owning good house and good car like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, Audi and Lamborghini? I wish I could have a nice Ferrari. Empty pocket, oh empty pocket, yeah. Zero balance, oh zero balance in my bank account. Oh brother, oh sister, you know what? I have a crush on one beautiful girl. She is not from India. There is a problem of transportation, etc. But the big problem is money. Rupiah, tangka, heartbroken, oh broken can. I'm just a country boy, I live in Karbi Anglong. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever thought of going London and New York City? Very nice place but costly. I wanted to go to London and New York City. Oh money problem, oh money problem, rupiah problem, oh tangka problem. I'm just a country boy, I live in Karbi Anglong, Assam, India.